everyone, my name is Anshika and welcome back to yet another haul video. So this time I shopped from Pack Cosmetics and I came to know about their sale that was going on their own website through Instagram. So I really wanted to have few of their products so that I can just pamper myself and use them, because anything they launch is on point and I always look forward to buy it. So I got a chance to buy them in sale, because Pack Cosmetics, if we see, so in general they don't give discounts. So I got 20% off on each product that I'll be showing, and yeah, I think that was it for intro. Now let's move on to the actual video where I'll be showing what all I bought from their site. The very first thing that arrived in my order was this Pack Studio Oil Primer, and this is how the bottle looks like. I'm sure you guys must be knowing because I have used it on my previous Insta videos as well. 4 to 5 times that too I have used it, and I have loved it because it's something that I can mix in my foundation and it gives like that dewy finish, not a glow, but it gives a dewy finish if I mix it with my foundation. And as a primer, obviously I can use it, and this product is having an orangish smell. So if you are someone who doesn't even like a tiny amount of smell in their makeup products, please don't buy this. It's not your cup of tea. And this primer retails for rupees 7.95, and obviously I have mentioned that I bought all my Pack Cosmetics product for 20% off. Next up is a lipstick by Pack, and it's from their matte range, and this is how the outer packaging looks like. So this is what the shade looks like from inside, which I bought and I haven't yet tried it, and obviously I'll be posting a review about this on my Instagram. You can check over there. The price of this lipstick is $4.50 and the shade name is Cappuccino in case you are interested, and that's about it. Next up I have Pack Take Cover Concealers, and I bought 2 shades from their range, one for contouring and this is the shade Hot Cocoa, and one for obviously concealing, and this shade is Butterscotch. I'm like in a doubt that this shade is going to suit me or not, but नहीं भी करेगा तो obviously कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा इसका. And this retails for rupees 4.95. And I also want to mention that this concealer, this Take Cover Concealer, and one more concealer from Pack itself, it's their Spotlight Concealer, is always included in the top 5 or top 10 list of the concealers which beauty bloggers are recommending these days. So I also wanted to give it a try and I bought it. This product is something that I religiously buy from either Pack Cosmetics or from Nykaa, because I tend to use a lot and it finishes also like quickly. Depends on how you take care of it. And let me tell you what I bought. So these are the eyelashes, and I have 5 of them right here. First lash from their range is this M77, and it's their mink lash in case if you want to have a closer look. Next lash is the Pack 53 tapered lash, and obviously like this is the third pair that I am having currently in my stock. Next up is the Pack Silk lashes, and this is how it looks like. It is in the number 101. Another one is this Pack M75 lashes, and again it's their mink lashes. The last lash from their range is this M77 one, and this is the one that I'm currently wearing right now, so it's empty. Now if you buy too many lashes, we obviously have to get a lash glue, and that's why I have this Pack Lash Fixer, and this retails for rupees 7.95. This is how the bottle looks like, and I have used it also today, and I loved it for the first time because it was not like those lash glue which gets accumulated at the top of eyelashes and give you a white cast over the top of the lash. I hate that, and I was having one lash glue which did that to me. So I was like, I really need to invest in some lash glue. I bought this. Now that we are talking about eyes, I bought one more product related to eyes itself, and it's their lenses, the Pack Iris lenses, and I bought 2 shades of them. The first one is Pure Hazel and the other one is Turquoise, and these lashes retails for rupees 220, and obviously I haven't yet tried them. The next product is also an eye product, and this is the one. So this is their Sparkly Distraction Glitter Primer, and it retails for rupees 455. So this is how the tube actually looks like, and I was not having any glitter primer, so I really wanted to invest in one. And there are not too many glitter primers in the market itself, so this was the one that everyone was buying and recommending. So I went ahead and bought this. The last product which we have from all the things that I bought is this Pack Mini Sponge Set, and this is their 2 sponge set that I bought. It's for rupees 285, and I particularly bought it for baking purposes and to reach my inner corners of the eye. And yeah, that's about it. I haven't tried it yet. And that was it for today's video, guys. I hope you all loved it. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. And also you can follow me on my Instagram, because over there I post mini reviews and swatches and whatnot. So if you want, you can follow me over there. Till then, take care, stay happy, stay healthy. Bye.